What if your keyboard was slowing you down? Today, we test the top 5 mechanical keyboards of 2025, and number 3 is so fast, it might get banned. Stick around because the winner is not from Razer or Logitech. All links in the description, let's click in. Number 1. Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. Orange mechanical tactile switches, features quieter actuation while delivering a satisfying tactile bump with every keystroke, making it the perfect choice for those who want tactility without the clicks. Immersive underglow and PR key lighting, featuring per key lighting and a striking 3-side underglow when paired with the wrist rest. Sync the keyboard with your battle station and enjoy greater immersion when gaming. Command dial and 8 dedicated macro keys, assign a custom function to the keyboard's programmable dial, and game with greater command using a set of macro keys for essential keybinds. Magnetic plush leatherette wrist rest with underglow, designed to provide secure support for long hours of play. The soft, cushioned wrist rest also features Razer Chroma RGB lighting. Number 2. Logitech G413. The Logitech G413 SE is a full-size keyboard with gaming-first features and the durability and performance necessary to compete. PBT keycaps, heat and wear resistant, this computer gaming keyboard features the most durable material used in keycap design. Tactile mechanical switches, uncompromising performance is always within reach with this wired gaming keyboard. Premium color, material and finish, elevate your gaming setup with this backlit keyboard featuring a sleek, black brushed aluminum top case and white LED lighting. 6-key rollover anti-ghosting performance, experience reliable key input with this anti-ghosting keyboard versus non-gaming mechanical keyboards. Number 3. Cherry MX 3.0S. Elegantly, extruded aluminum housing integrates the original Cherry MX switches with all relevant functions for the highest quality. 0.4 rubberized feet to ensure the stability. The elegant, extruded housing does not need any screws, which still underlines the timeless character of the product. A real eye-catcher on every desk. The Cherry MX Board 3.0S stands for speed and performance. Whether in the home office, or gaming, at the end of the day, this keyboard is the ideal partner when it comes to precision. Full RGB color display, customizable RGB with onboard memory for 5 dynamic layouts. Textured keycaps provide amazing illumination options with color routines in over 16 million colors. This gaming mechanical RGB keyboard is crafted to give you the winning edge on your PC or laptop. The brown switches give a slight clicky experience along with a backlit full-size keyboard. Whatever game you are playing, with the 3.0S be the pro. Number 4. Logitech MX. Clicky mechanical key switches with a gratifying, audible click and tactile feedback with every keystroke for a familiar mechanical feel and sound. Low-profile keys, more comfort, a keyboard layout designed for effortless precision, with a small, compact form factor and low-profile mechanical switches for better ergonomics. Smart illumination, backlit keys light up the moment your hands approach the cordless keyboard and automatically adjust to suit changing lighting conditions. Faster workflow, more customization, customize FN keys, assign backlighting effects, enable flow cross-computer, multi-device control, and more in the improved Logi options plus. 1. Multi-device, multi-OS. Pair MX mechanical mini Bluetooth wireless keyboard with up to 3 devices on nearly any operating system via Bluetooth Low Energy or included Logi Bolt receiver. 2. USB-C quick charging. MX mechanical mini keyboard stays powered up to 15 days on a full charge or up to 10 months with the backlighting turned off. 3. Number 5. Corsair K70 RGB Pro. The K70 RGB Pro retains the iconic elements of the award-winning K70 RGB with a durable aluminum frame, Cherry MX mechanical key switches, and per-key RGB backlighting. Powered by Corsair Axon hyperprocessing technology, enables a new level of K70 performance, processing and transmitting your inputs up to 8x faster than conventional gaming keyboards. 100% Cherry MX RGB red mechanical key switches have a linear travel with a silky smooth key press that's ideal for performance gamers, and are guaranteed for 100 million keystrokes. polycarbonate keycaps with standard bottom row, durable polycarbonate plastic keycaps with a standard bottom row layout that supports custom keycap sets. So, which keyboard are you upgrading to? Tag your pick in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button, share with your gaming squad, and subscribe. Next week, we reveal the $50 keyboard that beats $500 ones. All purchase links below. See you in the next one, Keyboard Warriors.